Alright, what's really good, everybody? Today we're over here making a video. I'm going to be detailing the car, and the homie came over. He brought the Z gang. We're going to be cleaning the car and stuff and just cleaning it up because I'm getting it ready to make show quality once I get new wheels and all the other stuff I said in the last video. So yeah, we're just rinsing the car down real quick with the power washer, and we'll be right back. Yeah, so luckily when I went to AutoZone today, when I was in the zone, I found a Mexican to do the work for me. Let's keep these guys in our country just because they're doing all the work that I don't want to do. Because America. Yeah. Alright, I had to go down to Starbucks. I got me a frap because it's cool. That's what I spent my YouTube money on. Alright, back at it. I got the clay bar kit. I have it all stretched out and stuff. He's going to be claying too. So yeah. Alright guys, my bad. It's hard to film and clay at the same time, but we got like the first half done. It's really smooth. I'm going to finish it up with some other car polish too. So just a quick update. Alright, sorry, but we're back. It's real smooth now. We're doing the window. We started it. It looks a lot cleaner.
You just gotta get the inside of it.
Yeah, we're gonna clean the inside of the window. But yeah, it's coming out a lot better. I have some other stuff. I have.
The soft top too.
No, I might just leave it for now.
Soft top?
Yeah, because when I drive it, I'm gonna have the top down.
Oh, okay.
Because the window.
Oh yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, I haven't done it in a while, but it comes out better than wax, and it's real easy to do. You can do it out in the sun, and it's a great way to stay in shape. This stuff's easy to use. You just apply it to the towel, then you wipe it on.
Yeah, use a lot of that white shit.
Really good. Alright, and then you let it dry to a haze. So, see how it's getting like this? You want to let it dry for like 30 more seconds. Then you take a clean towel.
Not a dirty one.
You get another towel. See, it's ready. Check this out. And then you wipe it. Oh shit. It comes out real nice. Look. See if you can get this.
Oh, you can
I got a little bit on here. See how red it is compared to this that doesn't have the product?
Yeah, you could tell from right here.
Yeah.
To like up there. Shit, that looks fucking sick.
Yeah, that stuff works good.
I'm gonna have to do that to the Z.
And it's a great way to stay in shape.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Alright, you can cut it. So it's semi done now. I still need to like buff the front bumper, but I need to get more buff pads, so that'll be sometime later this week. But most of the car came out real nice. It's nice and shiny, Looks good. Just go back to the beginning of the video. It got off most of the watermarks on the bumper. See, it's real shiny now. Pretty sweet.
Compared to that one, dude. Shit.
Look how clean it is. This one I haven't washed in about a week. So it has like dirt all stuck to it. And just look at the difference in the paint.
There, we're gonna make a. That's how we're gonna.
And we're gonna clean up this bad boy.
Follow me right there. You know, King Anthony.
Follow Andrew on Instagram, King Andrew.
I'm gonna black this out soon. And then these right here, and then these. But I need to get this bitch fixed because it's all fucked up. But in order to take that shit off, you need to fucking take the whole bumper off, and that's a bitch.
We're gonna take it off.
Black. I can't afford rims right now, so I'm gonna dip these. They don't
He's
look
gonna
bad,
dip the
so
wheels too. These are some 17s.
dip everyone's mother.
Nice. Nice.
Oh.
Yeah, it's coming out good. We're gonna clean it up too. And he's gonna put a front lip so he could scrape everywhere.
And you know, a lip gives you like 25 more horsepower.
Yeah, it adds a lot of horsepower.
Yeah. And plus it gets me pussy.
You need more stickers. This thing is pretty low for stock. It's like 2 inches off the ground.
Like my dick.
Wow. Alright, so that's probably it for now. It's getting real hot. Peace out. We're gonna go grab some food. And that's probably about it.
Gotta go to titties.
Maybe go to the strip club. I heard they have a $10 lobster and steak special right now. So we're gonna be down there. Check us out. Gang!